2019 Ford Ranger mileage spills. Into WD appearance, the Ranger beats it. A forum member at Ranger 5G found an online listing for a two-wheel drive 2019 Ford Ranger, complete with van number, window sticker, and fuel economy rating. The truck is a 4x2 XL 4-door Super Crew with a short bed and just a few options, ready to walk out the door for an MSRP of $34,505. The Ranger will only offer one engine in the U.S., a 2.3-liter EcoBoost 4-cylinder with 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, shifting through a 10-speed automatic. The MPG numbers on the Monroney: 21 city, 26 highway, 23 combined. How's that square with the competition? According to the EPA, the 2WD 2019 Chevrolet Colorado with the 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, with just 200 horsepower, comes in at 20 city, 26 highway, and 22 combined. A 2WD Colorado with its optional 6-cylinder gets 18 city, 25 highway, and 20 combined. A 2WD 2019 Honda Ridgeline with its 3.5-liter V6 scores 19 city, 26 highway, and 22 combined. A 2WD 2019 Toyota Tacoma with the 3.5-liter V6, 278 horsepower/265 pounds-to-foot, gets rated 19 city, 24 highway, and 21 combined. That puts the Ranger at